Okay, so the top part is the head, and we're going to break them loose first. Don't try to break them loose just like how I did. Try to give it a little bit and go to the next one. I just did a no-no. So do a little bit, go to the next one. Do a little bit, go to the next one. Do a little bit, go to the next one. A little bit. A little bit. That one, I don't think I can. Yeah, I can. A little bit. I did that one too much. Okay, that one's a little bit. Just what it does is it takes the pressure off the head kind of evenly and not in one. I don't know. It's just something I do. Some people might be like, who cares? You don't have to do that. Something I like to do. Oh, that one was tight still. So that's, the heck is that? Okay, that one's loose. All this stuff later on, when I put it back together, it's going to have to be torqued down properly. Use the torque specs. Do everything by the book. If you want her to last, not be dealing with this all the time. Once in a while, it's kind of fun. But if you screw it up and you do it twice a winter, then you're going to need more of these guys. And you don't want to drink too many of that. So, that's that. Well, this one's still tight too. A little bit. So, as you do them kind of, oh, see that one's still a little bit tight. So if you do it slowly, each one, it kind of relieves the pressure. That one was a little bit tight too. Instead of taking one off completely, one off completely, one off completely, you get to this side, there's so much pressure here, you could potentially crack something, and that's what you want to avoid. You don't need to replace more stuff, or I don't want to. So almost all of these I can do by hand. I'm just checking though, in case one is still kind of tight. That one's kind of tight still. Nope, that one's good. Oh, no, that one's tight. The heck. Hey, there's rubber gaskets, and underneath there, they're kind of spring-loaded, so they're also taking the pressure off. Oh, that one's still tight, too. Not really tight, but can't do it by hand. That's what I'm... Another thing I like to do, whether it makes a difference or not, I like to keep the bolts actually in the same area that they came out of. So to try to accommodate that, what I do is I don't pull these guys all the way out. I just take them to the point where they're loose. And then I pull the whole head right off. Well, we're going to stop it at here, guys. As always, thanks for watching. And the next video, we'll take this off and we'll see how it looks. See you later, guys. Okay, Garmin, stop recording. Okay, Garmin, stop recording. Okay, Garmin, stop recording.